This is the Lamicall Tesla screen protector. I just installed this in the 2026 Tesla Model Y. This is a really easy installation here. This is similar to like putting like a screen protector on an iPhone. The company did a phenomenal job giving you directions and just pre-planning this thing out for you. So basically these are the directions they give you here, just a one-sheet document. It also comes with the rear one for the back screen. I didn't install this one yet, but it's just gonna be a simple install. The front one just went really well. They give you all like the dust removal and things like that, the wiping cloth and everything, and basically just everything to get the screen ready here. And then the protector is in this large piece of plastic right here. Basically, you just slide it on there. You just press right there and just pull it off nice and easy. And it's just a really nice fit on here. Fingerprint free, and just very pleased with it. Very easy to install. No issues with it at all. Highly recommend picking one of these up if you have a Tesla Model Y or the Model 3. Against the Lamicall car screen protector.